Hi! This time I'm gonna show you this upright walker. So, open it with me.
Okay, so here we have the instruction manual. We have a little bag where you can put your medicines, your napkins, anything that you need. We have all the pieces here, the wheels, the padded arm rest. But now let me show you how to install it. It's very easy. As you can see here, we just open and place the wheels. These wheels are all-terrain. They are flat-free, puncture-resistant tires, tackle curbs, sidewalk, grass, and gravel. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It also comes with a secure dual brake system, which is easy to use. As you can see here, you will put the hand on the levers, allow smooth, slowly, and reliable rear wheel locking, ensuring stability when walking or resting. It comes with a breathable seat and backrest. This padded armrest and upright posture is adjustable, is cushioned, and promote natural posture and relieve arm and shoulder fatigue. This lovely one-hand folding and compact stores folds easily with a single lift, and it's ideal for fitting into car's trunk or tight storage spaces. It includes an under-seat zipper storage bag and cane umbrella holder to free up hands while out and about. This amazing product is lightweight and very durable frame. It can hold up to 300 pounds. My grandpa is very old and he needs this walker around the house, so this is a perfect gift for him. Now with this, he feels secure to go to the living room, to go to the kitchen by himself. He doesn't need anyone else besides this walker. And with this dual brake system, it's perfect. I will feel super secure and comfortable that he's using it. And the best part is that you can fold it, unfold it so easily, and you can store it so easily. It will fit in your car, in your trunk, in your house, in your closet, anywhere.